In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw an arc on TradingView Mobile. By the end, you'll be able to place a clean, adjustable arc on your chart so you can highlight rounded moves, visualize potential curves in price action, or mark areas of interest with a smooth, professional look. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your last chart. If your screen shows watch lists or ideas, no problem. What you want is the chart workspace so you can see candles and the drawing toolbar. Next, look along the bottom of the app and tap Charts. This switches you into the full chart view where drawing tools live. If the controls fade away, just tap once on the chart to bring them back. You should now see a clean canvas with price data and the tool icons along the edges. Now for the arc. At the bottom of the chart, tap the pencil icon to open the drawing tools. This is your gateway to lines, shapes, and annotations. In the tool panel, choose Geometric Shapes, then select Arc. With the Arc tool active, place it on your chart by tapping and dragging directly on the canvas. As you drag, you'll see the arc take shape. Release when it roughly covers the area you want. You can fine-tune immediately. Drag the anchor points to set the start and end of the arc, and use the curvature handle to increase or decrease the bend until it hugs the price path you're illustrating. Pinch to zoom for precision, and nudge the anchors so they sit neatly on your chosen swing points. A small formatting bar will appear when the arc is selected. Use it to adjust color, line thickness, and opacity, so your arc stands out without overpowering the chart. That's all there is to it. Open TradingView Mobile, go to Charts, tap the pencil, pick Geometric Shapes, choose Arc, then tap and drag to place and adjust. With a bit of practice, you'll draw smooth, accurate arcs in seconds.